Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. First, I'm going to start with spraying my beauty sponge by L'Oreal Paris. I'm going to spray it with REVLON Photo Ready Prep, Set, and Refresh Mist. And then I'm going to apply AIRSPUN Loose Face Powder and Naturally Neutral with my beauty sponge, and I'm just going to pat this across my face because I have oily skin. I have oily skin type, so I apply this first before any concealer or foundation, so I won't have any oiliness, to control the oiliness across or during the day. So I'm going to let that sink into my skin for a little bit, stick to my face a little bit better. So I'm going to go on with my eyebrows. I'm going to use a Benefit spoolie, a dual brush, an angled brush and a spoolie. And then I'm going to use Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Ash Brown. And I'm going to, first of all, before I apply any eyebrow product, I'm going to brush my eyebrows, and then I'm going to fill them in with the angled side brush. I'm just going to outline them following the natural line of my eyebrows, and then I'm going to fill them in with the pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just using very light feather-like strokes to fill in my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are done. I did my left eyebrow off camera, and I'm going to go in with a powder face brush to sweep away the loose powder and just sweep it across my face, my eyes, nose, chin, cheeks. And then I'm going to use IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Waterproof Concealer, and I'm going to add like a nickel size on my back of my hand, and I'm going to rub it on my hand like that, on the back of my hand, and take my middle finger. Oopsie, I'm flipping you off. I did not mean to do that. I'm so sorry. And then I'm going to dab this under my eyes and on my nose bridge, and after that, basically wherever I have blemishes, just to cover that up. So after I apply the concealer, I'm going to blend it out on my skin by using the Purple Beauty Blender by L'Oreal Paris, the same one that I used to apply the powder. So I'm just going to dab this carefully and in gentle strokes under my eyes and wherever I applied the concealer. There's a lot of blending going on here. And I really like this concealer. It's thick formula, not waterproof, not water or liquid form. It's thick. That's why I go for that formula. And it's a little bit harder to blend out, but if you spray your blender enough, it will blend out, or you can use a concealer brush or foundation brush. So after I'm done with all the blending, I'm going to cover up or set my concealer with KATY AIRSPUN Loose Face Powder, the same one I used before, a naturally neutral, and I'm going to use my powder brush by Crown Cosmetics. It was in my Ipsy bag, and then I'm just going to dab just a little bit of small amount of concealer on that blemish that I have. Just dab it, just a little bit, not a lot. And then I'm going to go back to my eyebrows. I'm going to use Makeup Forever Brow Gel in 35, and this has a lot of product on the applicator. So I'm gonna take some away, and I'm going to apply the brow gel on my eyebrows, so the pomade will stay on longer throughout the day, and also this will make your eyebrows look more natural. So I'm just going to zoom into my eyebrows so you'll have a close-up how they look after I apply the pomade and the eyebrow gel. Now I'm going to add some definition to my face. I'm going to use apply LA Girl Pro Face HD Matte Pressed Powder in Warm Caramel, and I'm going to use my bronze fluffy brush, and I'm just going to dab it first, and then I'm just going to go in circular motions, and I'm going to apply this on along my cheekbones. Yeah, I'm doing that facial expression just to see where that line is, where I'm going to apply the powder. Dab, and then I use circular motions to apply the face powder. It does work. I like applying it that way. Now I'm going directly, not directly applying it, just dabbing it first, and then circular motions for a better application. And then I'm going to apply the face powder on along my jaw. And also I'm going to apply it on my forehead, on either side of my forehead, my temples. Just to add, like I said, definition to my face. So I applied too much powder, so I'm going to use my beauty sponge to blend out the powder. That was just way too much. So that way it reduces the powder. And then what you want to do after that, you want to add some dimension to your nose. I'm going to use this large blending tart brush. Same product, Pro Face powder, loose powder or pressed powder by LA Girl. And I'm just gonna chisel my nose a little bit. Put on my nose. Just gonna add a little bit of concealer on my brush here. Put it on the back of my hand. Just apply it on my nose bridge. To contour my nose, highlight my nose bridge, so my nose would appear smaller than it actually is. Like this. You can really tell the difference. And then if you want, you can also add dimension to your eyes by applying the same pressed powder by LA Girl. Apply this on your crease, and then you can open your eye and just apply it along your crease, just to add a bit more dimension. You want to tap away the excess. You want to make sure how you apply it, how you look in the mirror. You want to have your face up, your chin tilted a little bit. You see, apply your brush this way in diagonal form with light presses, circular motion. And back and forth, like windshield wiper motions, back and forth, to really blend out that pressed powder on your crease. So I'm going to apply Infallible L'Oreal Paris. Now I'm going to apply L'Oreal Paris Infallible Eyeliner, and it's 16-hour wear, so it'll last a long time. I haven't really tried it out. I've only worn it for a few hours, but I haven't tried the 16-hour wear test. Anyway, so I don't ask me why. I don't really know why I apply the eyeliner on my waterline, my upper waterline. I'm just gonna apply it there. It just looks better. It makes my eyes look like a better I don't know what to call it. It just looks better. It looks good. That's part of my makeup routine. You don't have to do this. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with blush. This is called ORGASM by NARS Cosmetics, and I really love this formula. It's a little bit pricey, but it's totally worth it. I was gonna say, it has a little bit of sheen to it, but subtle. It's a little bit swatched down the back of my hand. Subtle, natural blush. I really love it. So I'm just gonna go in with a couple of applications of this brush. I mean, blush, not brush. For mascara, I'm gonna use Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal Paris. But first, I'm going to curl my eyelashes before applying mascara. I'm gonna apply mascara on my left or right eyelashes. I'm gonna compare my eyelashes from my right one, just so you can see the difference. They look a lot more bolder and more voluminous. I really love this formula as well. And it's drugstore, so it's affordable. It's a little bit clumpy at first, but it's easy to blend out. After I'm done with my lashes, I'm going to go next to my lips. I'm going to use KATY matte lipstick in, I don't know what it is, Tricot Grips by COVERGIRL Cosmetics. I bought this at Walgreens for like $7.99. I think it was pretty affordable. And yeah, I have this in my makeup collection. I just decided to use it today. I love the color. So that is it for this video, guys, and I hope you learned something from this video. And if you did, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos, makeup videos, and also comment down below with any questions you might have, or just to say hello. I would like to meet you. So I'll see you guys next time with another video.